Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm XiaoMing. Today we are going to cook a very easy dish, stir-fried lettuce with garlic. The ingredients we need are some minced garlic, some Chinese lettuce. Now let's prepare the ingredients. First we cut the root of the lettuce. Then we wash it. Now let's cut it into small chunks. Put it aside and now let's start cooking. We add around 8 ml of vegetable oil while the pan is hot. Then we put the garlic and stir fry them. After around 20 seconds, let's put all the lettuce into the pan. Fry it for around 1 minute with the maximum fire. Then let's do the seasoning. We add around 2 grams of salt and 2 grams of sugar. Stir fry them for another 30 seconds. And we are ready to serve. It's a very simple dish but very delicious at the same time. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one.